Hello, this is Miss Beth from the Door County Library. We are going to go through the September craft kit that everyone should be seeing. What's in the craft kit? Well, we have the screen-free craft bag card that tells you all of the things, and you will notice that we have a theme going on here. We have pirates and we have back to school. So what's inside? Well, there is a bookmark. And I colored my bookmark a little bit, but everybody gets a bookmark for their stuff. Everybody gets a door hanger, and I colored my door hanger already. You are going to need some way to color that, and then it's just for your door hanger, just a matter of just going in and cutting around here to make that happen. All right. And as you can see, it is a pirate-themed Do Not Disturb door hanger. And there you go, something to hang on your door. Let them know you're reading. All right, then we have a bag of stuff. What's in the bag of stuff? In the bag of stuff are 2 strings and maybe 1 little pencil like this and 1 little piece of paper like this. All right, what's on the little piece of paper like this? That is an I Love My Library eye patch. So you will need, I cut most of the pieces out. You will need to cut the corners all nice and tidy to make it very eye patchy. There, like that. And then that's what this white piece of string is for. So you put it through this way and then this way. There you go. And then you just tie it around the back of your head and you have your eye patch all done. All right. Then half of the bags have a little stick. Otherwise, you need to get your own little stick, which shouldn't be trouble, just pretty much whatever you want. But there is an apple, and then you just scrape off. You just scrape off the outer stuff on it. There's it's like a little paint over the top. And you just scritchy, 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 scritchy. Library. There we go. All right. My B is not perfect, but there you go. And then the idea is that you take this piece of string and you put it right through and you tie it off. This is how I do these. Tie it off. And then you can hang it up. And you can color this however you want, whatever you want to do. And then the last thing that is in here There's all kinds of little bits from that. The last thing is this piece of paper. For this piece of paper, you are going to make an origami parrot. The instructions are on YouTube right here, but I have made a zillion of these over the years. So first thing you have to do is cut the instructions off at the line, because now you have a square. I will go through this quickly, but this YouTube channel, YouTube, and then this little code right here will take you to where I go through this nice and slow for people. So the first thing we do, fold it in half that way, then you fold it up like this, and like this. And as I said, through the month of September, I will be making a whole lot of these. If you want to come in and have me show you, and then you flip it over and you fold this down. If you want to have me come in, this is probably one of the hardest pieces. This little corner here has to go right here. So fold this over, like that. And it's same on both sides. If you want to come into the library and get a bunch of tiny little parrots, you are welcome. You are welcome to do so. All right. So then we have to fold this up. This one goes right here. And if you notice, there's a line right here that will help you fold that back. All right, just like this, and then down like this, and then fold it this side here to right here, fold it up, and the same thing on this side, and that is their little feet. And then the tail, you got to make the tail fancy, so you just fold it up about halfway-ish, and then fold this back down like that in a little accordion. And then you fold it in half. Fold him in half. And we're almost done. We are almost done. So then what do you have to do? You have to kind of push right here. And you fold that down, and you fold that beak out a little bit. You kind of mess around with his face a little. There. And that's how you make a parrot. Very, very simple parrot for you guys. And he stands up, he walks around, and you can pin him to your shoulder, and it's really cute. That is everything that is in the craft bag for September. I hope that you guys have a wonderful time with it, and we will see you next time.